Welcome. Today we're showing you how to change your call display name, also known as a caller ID, using your MyRogers account. Let's go. If you ever need to change your call display name, making the change is easy with Rogers. To start, go to rogers.com in your browser. Click on the 3 lines and sign into your MyRogers account with your username and password. Next, go to Account Overview in your Wireless Services section. Select the number you'd like to change the call display for. Now, in the Wireless Usage page, scroll down to the Quick Links section. Select Change My Caller ID. Enter your new call display name in the first and last name fields. Next, select Continue. That's it. Your call display name is updated. Please note that it may take 24 hours to appear on outgoing calls. Now you know how to change your call display name with Rogers.